Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code by Vansh, and today we are going to solve the question power x की power n which calculate x raised to the power n, that is x to the power n. Okay, so in this question how we are going to solve this? So let's just take an example that x is power n. Okay, so what we are actually going to do, we have actually two options. Okay, either our n is actually odd or our n is actually even. So these are the two things that we will know, that either our x is either our n is odd or either it will be even. So if it is odd, let's take example of, like, if it is odd, then what we are going to do, and if it is even, then what we are going to do. So let's see that. So if our power is odd, like 3 to the power 3, let's take an example like this, that 3 to the power 3, then what we are going to do, like everything will be like this. Okay, so 1 actually I am going to do answer, and here it is 3 is actually x. Okay, now what I am going to do, I will grab a 3 and I will push it outward, like 3 multiply 3 to the power 2, it will form like this. Now my answer will be answer multiply x, right? And my n will be n minus 1. As you can see, what I am going to do, I am just going to push. If it is odd, I am going to do like this. Okay, my answer will be answer multiply x, and my n is equals to n minus 1. Okay, so this is actually simple. Now let's understand what is even. Then let's take an example like 3 to power 2. Now let's take an example, it will be simple. Or let's take an example 3 to power 4. Then what I can say, like 3 to the power 2 multiply 3 to the power 2. Now what I am going to do, what I will do, 3 multiply 3, because it is common, and to the power 2. So as I can see, my answer, which is actually 1, answer will remain same. Okay, answer will remain same. Answer is equals to 1 multiply answer, it will be same. Okay, so it will be same. But here, as you can see, what is changing? Actually my x is changing to x multiply x. So this is actually changing because my x is changing to x multiply x. So this is a thing that I have to keep in mind, as well as my n is actually changing. How my n is changing? My n will be n divided by 2. So these are the two changes I have to keep in mind. So this one for the even, and for the odd it will be like this, n minus n, and answer is equals to answer multiply x. So these are the two things that I have to keep in mind. Another thing which I have to keep in mind, if my n is actually negative, so it will be very easy. Like if 3 to power minus 2, what it will be? It will be 1 by 3 to power 2. So this is the very simple step. So I think everybody knows it. So this is the concept. And let's move to the coding part for more explanation. I am just doing the same thing while my n is actually valid. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to do this. If it is odd, as I told you, I will just subtract 1 and it will be this. And if it is even, then I am going to do this. If it is negative, then I am going to do this. Or else, if it is positive, I am just going to return answer. Okay, so these are the things that how we are going to actually solve this question. I hope you like the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.